now I am going to explain what is list comprehension. So it is the most asked question by the interviewer. So I am just clearing all the screen. I am going to explain very basic manner what is list comprehension so you will understand. So first of all, what is the list comprehension? While you are writing so many codes in a line using for loop and different kinds of script, with the using of list comprehension, you can just make that same code with one line. So how it is works? Suppose I am defining one is list name is uh, one inside the list element is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now with the list comprehension, with the normal how I can write or iterate this value one by one. So this is the way you can just iterate using the for loop. So you can just, while I am running this, so what it will happen, for loop go with one by one every index, like 0 is present, 1 is present, 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index. So again it will iterate one by one. So first time it will just loop this for loop, so it will iterate 1, then again 2 3 4 5 6. So this is the way you can just write it when you are writing very big code. So you will find the error or something. So this you can use with list comprehension. So I am just commenting this. I am making comment this, and now with the using of list comprehension. So inside the print, if list comprehension value will give the output inside the list. So I am using the same for loop. First, you have to find give the logic. You have to write the logic for I in A. Then after the logic, you can just print print the output like above. I find out the logic, this one. I written the logic here, and now I am printing it I here. So now I am printing I. So while I'm running this, so it will give me the output inside the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So say this is the common asked question, what is the list comprehension? If you want to just give any condition, so I want to give if condition. So if I want those number who is greater than 3. So greater than 3 is 4, 5, 6. So what happened when I run? So it will give me 4, 5, 6. So this is the list comprehension with a condition you can just make it. So this is the very small video to understand how list comprehension will work. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. This is very simple way I uh, I just teach you because of when you are just going another video or something, so you will not understand what is list comprehension. So this is the very basic understanding what is list comprehension. So if you're finding any problem, please just comment down. I'll give the answer. Thank you so much. As well as I am running the Python basic to advanced series for beginners to advanced level. If you are new in Python, you can just watch that video and just follow my channel. Thank you so much.